Hello everyone, Innovative Novel, Namaskar and welcome back to our Novel Environment Academy YouTube channel. Myself, Susmita Thapa Mogar, pre-primary level teacher of Novel Environment Academy and also great teacher of Montessori class UKG Sunflower. First of all, I would like to welcome you all in our online class. Hope you will stay with me till the end of the class. Now I am going to give introductions about materials. This is mat, shape is rectangle, color is green, made by cotton. It has 4 corners, 1 corner, 2 corner, 3 corner and 4 corner. This is tray, shape is rectangle, color is purple, made by wood. It has 2 handles, 1 handle, 2 handle and also it has 4 corner, 1 corner, 2 corner, 3 corner and 4 corner. Inside the tray there are picture card. This is picture card. Shape is rectangle, color is red, made by paper. Now keep this tray right side of the mat. Now we are going to start our exercise and our exercise name is vowels. A, E, A, O. A, E, A, O. Now we are going to learn vowels in the middle. Now we are going to read vowels in the middle. Ra, A, da, red. Ra, A, da, red. Ra, A, da, red. La, A, ga, log. La, A, ga, log. La, A, ga, log. Mo, A, da, mat. Mo, A, da, mat. Mo, A, da, mat. Ha, A, da, hot. Ha, A, da, hot. Pa, A, na, pen. Pa, A, na, pen. Pa, A, na, pen. La, A, ga, leg. La, A, ga, leg. La, A, ga, leg. Pa, A, na, pan. Pa, A, na, pan. Pa, A, na, pan. Ha, A, na, hen. Ha, A, na, hen. Ha, A, na, hen. Da, A, ga, dog. Da, A, ga, dog. Da, A, ga, dog. Na, A, da, net. Na, A, da, net. Na, A, da, net. Pa, A, da, pot. Pa, A, da, pot. Pa, A, da, pot. Ta, A, na, ten. Ta, A, na, ten. Ta, A, na, ten. In the 26 alphabet, there are 5 vowels. In the 26 alphabet, there are 5 vowels. A, E, A, O. A, E, A, O. Again, we are going to learn vowels in the middle. Red, log, mat, hot, pen, leg, pan, hen, dog, net, pot, ten. Red, log, mat, hot, pen, leg, pan, hen, dog, net, pot, ten. Now I am going to place back this picture card from the mat. These are vowels. A, E, A, O. A, E, A, O. These are vowels in the middle. Red, log, mat, hot, pen, leg. These middle letters all are vowels. These middle letters all are vowels. Ra, A, da, red. La, A, ga, log. Mo, A, da, mat. Ha, A, da, hot. Pa, A, na, pen. La, A, ga, leg. P and pan, H in hen, D a dog, N a net, P a pot, T a tin, pan, hen, dog, net, pot, ten. These middle letters words all are vowels. Now I am going to give some homework for UKG class. This is your homework, children. Complete the words with correct vowels. Complete the words with correct vowels. L, a, g, leg, m, a, t, mat, r, a, d, red, l, a, g, log, h, a, t, heart, p, a, n, pen, d, a, g, dog, h, a, n, hen, p, a, n, pan, t, a, n, ten, p, a, t, pot, n, a, t, net. This is your homework, children. Hope you will do. And at last, please don't forget to do like, comment, share and subscribe of our Noble Environment Academy YouTube channel and send the homework in our school messenger. At last, please don't forget to do like, comment, share and subscribe of our Noble Environment Academy YouTube channel. And please stay home, stay safe from COVID-19. Thank you.